Just doing a quick review on these pantyhose. These are legs, everyday pantyhose. These are size Q, that would equal large. And they're suntan, sheer-toed. Here's the waistband and the sheerness there. I'm actually gonna slip it over my toe so you can see. I like that it actually has a tag in the back. You know how those pantyhose that don't, you're just always struggling to see which way the foot goes. These do not. You can see there's some reinforcement up here for the belly, comes down into the thigh. I'm gonna stretch my hand through here. It's very sheer at the toe. I like that it doesn't have that reinforcement at the toe, so it's not so noticeable, but I'm just gonna slip this on my leg, and you can see the different color of the pantyhose right here. Very thin, great coverage. So you can see I'm pretty freckly. It gives a nice suntan look, creates an instant tan. Love it. You're gonna love it too.